Yesterday, I want to do a quick review on my outdoor lights that I just got. Super easy install. They're really nice. Actually, you already have a set, but we wanted to make it like complete, so I'm going to show you everything that you get. It's cool as you get a little remote. You're able to control the lights as you wish. Some extra bulbs, batteries for it, and then the actual lights themselves. Good quality lights, designed for the outdoors. Like I said, super easy install. They got like a little clip on here, and I didn't even install them that way. We're just weaving them in and out of our backyard, and it looked just as nice. They actually look really clean at night. So I'll show you a quick install on how they look at night.
All right, as you can see, there are different ways for you to install them. Like I said, they do have clips on them. It's just the way that my backyard is designed. It would just not work. But as you can see, we're just weaving in and out of our wood fence. And they hold up really well. And as you could also see from the video, there is a little bit of distance between each bulb. So just keep that in mind. So if you were thinking they were super close, you might want to get maybe like an extra pack and run them back. But like I said, you can hold them up properly with the clip that they come attached. We've had ours for a while, but now let's see how they look at night. So now let's try out the remote that it comes with. The first option that we'll use is the breathe option. And this is what it looks like when they're in that breathe state. Then we'll go ahead and use the lighting. So it'll just be still for all the outdoor lights. And then lastly, we'll use the flash. I thought that one was kind of cool. Now you can see the different light modes. So 25%, 50% lit up, 75% lit up, then 100. Really awesome lights. If you're looking for some good outdoor lights, I'd highly recommend these. You can also use this remote to turn on and off right from here, so you don't have to keep unplugging and unplugging. Highly recommend.